Alright, I had to spend 5 minutes walking through this train tunnel. I was going to walk the whole thing, but after coming out here and seeing how far it goes, I decided, fuck that. However, this is a very interesting spot. Right over there is Donner Lake. Right over there, the Donner Party was stuck. I'll be going there next. That's the old Highway 40 that the cars are on. But below it, if I can get it, right through here is the old Lincoln Highway. And it comes through, and can't see too good on my phone. That's the old Lincoln Highway. First highway across the United States. Followed by 40, and of course, modern day, and we have this scrap heap of stuff. Anyway, oh, almost forgot. Just on the other side of this tunnel where I came in is China Wall. I'll be posting the stuff about that too. Alright, quick correction. I just watched my video and realized I said that Lincoln Highway is the first highway, followed by Highway 40. I think everybody knows that's not true. I misspoke. So don't yell at me. And this is what the train tunnel looks like. Ooh.